Hey everybody, welcome to this unboxing and review video of the 2000 watt Predator portable inverter generator. Something I've been wanting for quite some time now, for the cleaner power, better fuel efficiency than the one I have now, which is a 7000 watt Predator. Pretty big unit. All together with its cargo carrier and the battery, it's something like 280 pounds. It's really heavy, really big, something I got to run with my tools, but after living in the RV for some time, I found out that that is just way overkill, and I've been wanting, one of these smaller portables for a long time now. Honda, way out of my price range at $1,000. Predator at Harbor Freight, I got this for $450 with the discount. Every few months or so, if you sign up for their newsletter or get their emails, they come out with so that can run my air conditioner. It can even run my microwave, my air conditioning during the summer. That's what really matters. It'll also be great for charging batteries when there's not enough solar, and even emergency heat. I think my biggest heater takes 1500 watts, and this will run at 1600 watts continuously. There's a chance it may even run the air compressor. I'll try it out. We'll see what happens. The compressor, I believe, is 1800 watt. So after reading online on Harbor Freight's website and other forums, the biggest complaint with this is its weight. But otherwise, this has got very good reviews. They even offer a really good warranty. It's a 2-year or something like that. I opted not to get it just because I think it's easy enough to fix it yourself. But they even offered at the end of the 2-year warranty you could trade it in and get yourself a new one. Let's open it up and see what we got. Owner's manual. There's your 12 volts adapter for the front. Got some alligator clips. Got some tools. Pretty nice case. So you got your way to change your spark plug. 2-in-1 Phillips and flathead screwdriver. So a little bit of a toolkit. That's pretty cool. A 2mm and an 8mm. Must be some common sizes you'll encounter. There. Yeah, definitely got some weight to it. Alright. So the first thing I do is add oil. It just says to add oil until it's at the proper level. Make sure the engine is stopped and is level. Got the oil right here. Got some big old cushy rubber feet underneath it too, which is nice. Alright, so it took about 1/3 of a quart. Something I noticed about this that I like is these little gutters they put in here to let the oil spill out. Also on top they have a little bit of a rubber deal going on here, which is nice. Drain down, so pretty nice machine. Got a lot of vibration stuff in there. Alright, for an hour meter, I just got on eBay and got one of these cheap 12 volt to, looks like 80 volt. And I'm just going to take the alligator clips off this 12 volt cable and just have this external for the time being until I can find a place to put this. I'll have to go inside and find a cavity where the back end of this meter can go into. Alright, got the alligator clips off and the spade connectors put on. Pretty darn quiet. Okay, I can run it for, that's enough to pump up a tire, so that, hey, I'm happy with that. I may even throw down a couple welds too. We'll have to try that at a later time. So I'm liking it. This thing is super quiet. And at some point I'm going to try and make a spot for it down where the Onan used to go here in the motorhome. Put it in a cabinet, it'll be even quieter. I can run that all day if I want. Pretty sweet. I like it. With a full tank of gas, I would say it's about exactly the weight of one of these. If you wanted an idea, for those who live in their RV or van, an idea of what that weight, that's about the weight of a full tote of water. At some point we'll hook it up to the old welder and see what it can do. Probably even on its lowest setting it would only weld for a few seconds, but again, in an emergency that might be just what I need.